Alright, so this is gonna be an unboxing of a product that I got from Amazon. So I just want to start off by saying that I did purchase this myself. I don't get anything handed to me, given to me. Everything that is on this channel is bought by my own money, and I'm not sponsored, so this is my honest opinion. So this is the device. It comes with a power cable and a USB connection. So this is a powered hub, and I know you're probably saying like, stop showing the instructions, but there has been times where I've needed to see the instructions of a product, so that's why I have that showing. So once you plug it into the wall, plug this into the actual device, the blue lights are going to come on. It's the first time I've turned this on. So the buttons are clickable. There are 7 blue ports that are high-speed USB 3.0 that can transfer data with speeds up to 5 Gbps. And the 3 red ports are for charging up to 2.4 amps on each input. So this is the USB connection that's going to go to your computer. So you're going to put one end into the device and the other end into your computer. It doesn't matter which side goes into what side. They're both USB ends. So I have just a bunch of like flash drives that are in my backpack, and pretty much anything that's in my backpack that's USB, I'm going to plug into this. So I have a little keyboard, so that's going to go into the blue, because we want to transfer the sound to the computer. I have an old Zune. I'm going to put that in the charging port. And this is a camera battery. That's also going to go into the red charging port. And you'll see as soon as I press the button, you'll see them go on my computer. So that one says hypoxia. Depending how much you have on your file, it might take a little bit longer than another one. Like this one's gonna be pretty fast because I rarely have anything on that one, but they did read, they do work. So I'm gonna power on my Zune, and right away it's charging now. And this is the camera battery turned on right away, which is thumbs up for me. So here we are in Ableton. Pulling up Massive so I can transfer a sound to this mini keyboard, and as you can hear, it is working. There's no latency, so this power hub is a win for me. So just a quick tip from the actual manual. It says that the 3 red ports are not data ports, so plugging an external device in one of these ports could damage your external device. And it also says absolutely do not plug any data type devices into the red USB ports. Only use those for charging only, guys. Conclusion: is this device worth the money, and is it worth the buy? Yes and yes.